Good morning, I'm Hardik Kapoor from Hardik's Car Show, and today I'm giving you the review of the all-new BMW's newly launched SUV, which is the BMW X4. Now this is a car which comes between X3 and X5, and you can see there they are standing. It comes between X3 and X5, and it is a newly launched tag brand name. Like X3 and X5 are in India from like 10 years, but this is a newly launched brand name. Batch name or series name, whatever you can say, in the X series. So this gets BMW's kidney wheel, wide shaped kidney wheels, LED fog lights, adaptive LED BMW lighting system in the side. You get M Sport package. Now the one thing which is very great about this car is you get M Sport package standard in all variants. This is the air housing for to increase the aerodynamics. M Sport alloy wheels equipped with disc brakes, 4 disc brakes, and this is a coupe SUV. This is the coupe version of X3. Everything is same, the interior and all, just it is the coupe version of the X3. And the major change you see is in the rear. The rear is quite nice, and I like these tweaked LED lights, tail lights, which looks extremely great. This is the X-Drive 30D 3-liter engine. You get 3 variants: X-Drive 20D 2-liter, X-Drive 30D 3-liter, and X-Drive 30i, which is the 3-liter version, but it is in petrol. This is the 3-liter diesel, that is 30i is the 3-liter petrol. And now you will be wondering, where is the button for opening the boot? I cannot find it anywhere. So that is smart technology. The logo is the button for the boot, and it opens. So this is a quite nice thing. You get a very nice boot with space saver tire. Like in BMW cars, you generally do not get nowadays space saver spare tire. Like if you talk about the GT or the 5 Series, you have to carry on the spare tire on the boot. But in this, that's not the case. You also get this parcel tray, parcel tray, and automatic button for boot with a white light. I like this nice feature from the logo. This is also available in the Volkswagen Passat. And just see the coupe design, it looks so nice. Chrome finish exhaust pipes, and this is a nice bumper. You also get shark fin antenna. Now I will tell you about the interior. So this is the tan color option. You also get beige and black. So the interior is just as same as the X3, but there are some differences, like this black color roof, panoramic glass sunroof. You get this nice 10.5-inch massive, extremely massive touchscreen system, BMW's iDrive system, which gets version 6. This is the 6th version of the iDrive system, and it looks amazing. You get chrome finish start stop button, X4 batching here so that you remember while driving which car you are driving. You do not forget that. You get an ashtray from BMW. There is a cigarette lighter here, if you can see. And let me close this. You get this thing. You get electronic parking brake, 8-speed Steptronic gearbox, and you get Harman Kardon. As you can see, Harman Kardon is written. 205-watt 12 speakers sound system, which is also amazing. And the car is very luxury, and you feel very nice. You get M Sport equipped steering wheel with digital display, which changes with driving modes. You get 3 driving modes. Sport. In Sport also you can configure it. Like you get standard. You get like 5-6 modes in Sport only. Then you get your Eco Pro. You can see in Eco Pro the display gets blue. In Comfort it gets red and with some white inlays, and in the Sport it gets aggressively red. And you also get one adaptive mode, as it has adaptive damping system. So in this it gets this type of screen you get, and then you get also ambient lighting all over the car, which is also quite nice. And this is quite nice. And you also get parking sensors with reverse camera, 360-degree camera, which is also quite nice. You also get navigation, and the car is quite nice. My vehicle. So these are the lights, and These are the ambient lighting options which I am going to tell you. See, you can see there are so many options for the ambient lighting. So I personally like the blue, so let's just turn it to blue. So you can see now it has been blue. So ambient lighting is also quite nice. Then you get this 4-zone Climatronic system, which is also quite nice. And paddle shifters, you get paddle shifters for aggressiveness, so which looks quite nice, and nice chrome finish. And if you see, you also get this nice chrome finish here, so lot of chrome is there. These are the light controls here, if you can see. And so the car is quite luxury, and you also get this nice lights here, which brightness is quite nice. So the interior is very luxury, carbon finish, so luxury that I can't tell you. The quality is above the 5 series. So this is the carbon fiber finish, some space here, and yeah, you also get one 12-volt power outlet here with USB port, which is also a great thing. So the car is very nicely equipped, and I like this carbon fiber finish all over the dashboard. So I like the quality of the cabin. It is above several BMWs. So now I will tell you about the rear space in the new BMW X4. The color which I am showing you right now is the Alpine White. You also get many more colors like black and all. So you can also just pull it out, so and you can access the boot from here, which is a quite nice thing in this car. Now right now this is the armrest with 2 cup holders, and as I told you, 4-zone climate control, so you get some AC controls here also. White lights, and these are some hooks to hang some things. Ambient lighting here also, an X batchings here, which looks extremely great. But I might feel that the space is very less in this car in the back. I think this is because of the coupe, it is less. But yeah, the feeling is very nice. And I also recommend that the sunroof should be till here, the panoramic sunroof. It looks little bit small. So now I will tell you about the technical data of the new X4. Now I will talk about the technical data of the X4. This gets 3 variants, as I told you. X-Drive 20D, which is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder diesel engine. Then you get a 3-liter diesel engine, which is also inline 4-cylinder, and then you get a 3-liter petrol engine, which is known as BMW X-Drive 30i. And now if you talk about the power outputs of all the 3 engines, so if you talk about the 2-liter one, which is the 20D, it gets 140 bhp of power. The 3-liter diesel engine, which is this one, the 30D, gets 195 bhp of power. And if you talk about the 3-liter petrol engine 30i, it gets 185 bhp of power, which is quite nice. If you talk about the price of the car, this car starts from 70 lakhs for the 220D on road and goes up to 76 lakhs for the 30D for this one. This is the top of the line version, and it is one of the most expensive. The light looks quite nice. And now if you talk about the torque output, so the 20D gets 400 Newton meters of torque. This one, the 30D, which is the most powerful in the series, gets 620 bhp of power. And if you talk about the 30i, it gets 350 Newton meters of torque, which is the petrol engine. So I recommend the best variant to buy in this one is the 20D, because that's a quite nice thing. And in that also you get suitable amount of power, and you get parking sensors all over the car, as it is a 360-degree camera system. You get all over the car with the parking sensors. And tell me in the comment section, how is the car? I personally like the car, and it comes above the Q5 and all that range. So it's a quite nice concept. And the best thing is about that, if you want to buy a coupe SUV like this from any other luxury brand like Mercedes, then you have to pay around 1.2 crore rupees, which is the GLC coupe from Mercedes. That is for 1 or 1.2 crore rupees. But this one is quite cheaper than that, which is 76 lakhs for the top end variant. So I think this is a quite nice option in this price bracket. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe me on YouTube and tell me that how is the new X4 and if you like or not. So thank you guys. Please subscribe.